Hello traders, let's check what are the things has done in the market and see how the US tariff impacted in the Indian market. So we got like around in this area 23,152. There is a fall, but the sudden rise you could able to check this over in the 15 minutes. See, there is a huge gap down from this region to this, but somewhat market has been recovered, but we have a demand over the zone of S2, which is like around 22,965, but we could able to see that the sell has been activated from this region. So as I said you, this is a crucial important resistance zone. See, market breaks and took a like consolidation over here, and where the sell has been activated, we could find a liquidity in this region, the resistance itself, like 23,283. But furthermore, the resistant R2 level changes where it comes to the zone of 23,350. So I'm changing this as well, 23,350, and the S1, right, further levels for the S1 also is changing. So I'm not changing the S2. The levels of S1 is around like 23,144, 143 exactly. So furthermore, it needs to break this area, like where the liquidity also lies. So if it is break further, we can expect a market can reach up to 22,965. So many people have been expected, like we had a news for the market why it not has not been broken. So this is due to the huge put writers. So on the strike price of 23,250, like I'm checking for the whole thing, like you could able to see this act as a resistance, sorry, support. So where it pushes the market to the like in a choppy market. So when we have to look for the further days, like I'm removing this. So furthermore, for the upcoming next week, market will be is a market strike price is around like 23,300, is a crucial strike price that we need to note what the writers from the call side and put side are going to do. So because it's a game changing area for the Nifty 50, and let me go and analyze for the Nifty bank. Let's see what has happened. So as you see, the demand zone has already tapped in the Bank Nifty, but it's quite opposite to the levels of Nifty 50. See, market has fallen, but it does, the sell zone does not has been activated around 51,400, but it has been activated around in the resistance part, like 52,000, like 51,577. So furthermore, we have a changing resistance of R1 and the R2. It has broken the R1 and reached out the R2. For the R1, the coordinates are like 51,664. It moves. I'm changing this and I'm moving to the right side for easier progression. So and this I'm not going to change. No, I'm going to change this as well, the R2 levels. Okay, so to the right side. So I'm expecting market needs to get activated further sell zone from the 50-minute time zone. So once this get activated, we have been expecting the support in the S1, which lies around like 50,846. So change this as well as in your chart, and S2, which will be like in this region. We have further more demand zone over here, just mark that as well for overall view. Okay, I'm changing this, I'm moving this to the right side. So you know the important levels of Nifty Bank as well. Let's see in the open. Let's see the open interest. 51,500 is a game changing area. So this act as a support. Let's see, and let me check for the Sensex. So Sensex has taken a support, but needs to get activated for this sell zone. So sell zone lies here. There is a liquidity, like a huge liquidity. If you see further, like, let me move this. Sorry. If you see, like, it's a good liquidity zone. Let's see if the sell gets activated from this region exactly on this region. If the cell gets activated from this region, we can focus on furthermore the support. So I'm not going to change the resistance and support for the Sensex. And let's see the open interest of the Sensex. So we have the expiry on April 8, and so you could able to see there is a huge decrease in the put rating. Might be it push the levels like 76,500 may act as an important strike price, and 77,000 also may act as an important strike price, where for the call rate is 77,000, and where for the put writers we could able to see in the zone of 76,500. So the put writers has been decreased in this strike price 76,500, and for the uh, strike price 77,000 there is a huge call writers. So these two are the key strike price which we need to see over the market, like what is going to happen further. Focus on these area, like there is the change as well, these two strike price for the Sensex. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.